Forms that use templates are most commonly internal forms captured by a clinician or practice manager, as opposed to external forms captured by patients. Other form usages. General forms are forms that are used to capture information unrelated to an individual patient. An example of such a form might be a survey form. Billable forms. Billable forms may further be used to make the billing process more efficient within a practice, as well as less error-prone. A form can be marked as a billable form, and certain fields can be flagged as billable fields, with a billing field type. These billing field types would either be procedure codes, material codes, or diagnosis codes. For such a form, then when a form instance is filled in, the data will flow into a billing instruction. In Elka Med's Premium iHealth integrated version, this will result in a draft invoice being created automatically within iHealth. For Elka Med users that use the standalone version, along with Elka Med's basic invoicing module, billable forms will result in a billing instruction being created, which can then be actioned by a practice manager to create an invoice. To create these forms, Elka Med has a form builder module. In this form builder, you can create a new form, name it, set its properties, and add fields to it. For basic forms and external forms, this is usually all that is required. For many internal forms, this is all that is required too. But for forms that are intended to capture data as well as generate documents, then the additional steps of creating a template for the form and adding form variables and patient variables, or placeholders, to the template are required. To create useful and powerful forms, it is important to understand the various form field types available.